Well, hello there, Internet. Thank you guys so very much for checking out this video. Wow, you guys are amazing. I just want to thank each and every one of my subscribers. You guys mean the world to me. And I just really want to let you guys know that because I don't think I've actually told you that enough. And it means the world to me that I have so many subscribers. I pick up quite a few all the time, and it's just very impressive to me. I want to try to get these videos more out. So the reason why I don't have the ability to get as many videos as I want is just because I really need some video compression software, and I really haven't found one that meet my needs. However, Google and YouTube now has the live stream in which I can review things more easily, and this will also allow me to kind of engage you guys a little bit more, especially if I could pick up some viewers while I'm making the videos to answer questions about your design questions. That might be another video too as well. But anyways, let's jump in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at a couple of things that every designer should have in their in their design arsenal. Honestly, the first thing I want you to think about is definitely using Bootstrap. Bootstrap 4 is about to come out. However, from what I've noticing, there's not a lot of differences between 3 to 4, but there are some major differences. But we'll get into that once Bootstrap 4 is released more officially. So if you're not familiar with what Bootstrap is basically a CSS JavaScript framework that allows the rapid development of websites. So definitely check it out and use it as much as you can, because what I'm going to be showing you is going to be utilizing the Bootstrap framework. So the first thing I want to show you is going to be a free place to get themes. It's called Start Bootstrap. This is one of many resources that I use in order to design sites, quick projects, which is great. So if you have a quick project that you need to build up, this is definitely going to be something that you should look at. Tons of free themes. So we click resources, themes, and we have all sorts of types of different themes and templates. And these are free. There's some paid ones. So if you want to have more of a professional look, then you should definitely, pay to upgrade. But for getting started, absolutely no reason to pay something while you're working on a prototype, especially if you're working on a prototype to show a client, like, this is what it's going to look like now. What it could look like in the future could be different. So enough of that. Let's go ahead and just pick out something that I think would stand out for most people. It depends on the type of application that you want to build. So let's just assume that you want to build a simple type of web page for e-commerce. Let's stick with e-commerce. That seems to be all the rage these days. So this here looks like a nice start for a e-commerce website. So let's click live preview here and we'll take a gander. So very simple. Now this is just a framework, guys. These are just the wireframes. You have to look outside of the beauty of what you see now, because to me this is absolutely beautiful. This is probably a good starting point for most people. Most people wouldn't want to put the time and effort to make something like this. So you have it already, and it's nearly done for you. So let's look at some other pages if there's any. It doesn't look like there's any other pages, which that's not a problem. You guys have the starting point, and remember, you also have the other pages that are needed to make it successful. Now, say you need some images. I'm going to show you an awesome resource to get some images. I know I kind of said that this is going to be only 2 resources here that I wanted to show you, but I'm going to give you guys another one. And this is called Unsplash.com. Unsplash.com is absolutely amazing. What Unsplash.com is a free resources for high definition images. And high definition images, cost a lot of money, especially if you go to places like Photolio or stock photos. very expensive, and you get some free ones here, and these are good for placeholders. There is nothing wrong with using free options. A lot of people will say, oh, it's free, it's worthless. No, it's not. It's absolutely not. If anybody says something you got for free is junk or it's not worth it, you need to just not talk to them, because they have absolutely no idea what they're talking about. Because some of the best things in life are free, and Unsplash.com is one of the best things in my designer life that I have for free. You can do whatever you want to with these images. It says it right there. Throw them on your website. Even you can even package them up, create your own other type of site. As long as you don't copy the main Unsplash functionality, you're absolutely good. But totally free to use. I'm not saying you're going to use this for e-commerce website, but for type of articles that you might want to create, might very well be something to look at. All right, so definitely. So what I've showed you so far is Bootstrap. Get bootstrap.com. That is the documentation of Bootstrap. So you have like your CSS. It just goes over how you create the different types of elements. That way you can edit your pages and understand that a little bit more thoroughly. We have unsplash.com, free HD images. We have, let's see here, Start Bootstrap, which was this page here. Free templates. This is not the only one that you can choose from. So let's go back and let's look at one more. So this is an admin. I've recommended an admin theme before. So admin themes are pretty popular. A lot of people need nice admin themes for their back end. And this one is free. So let's look at the live preview of this one. It's very simple. Wow, it's actually kind of clean. I really like it. I like how the left side sticks. But there's another free admin template that I want to review separately, just because it's absolutely incredible. And I really want you guys to have a nice admin theme. But this is just to show you like the depth of freeness that you get with startbootstrap.com. Now, I showed this to you before, but this is another amazing resource here. This resource is absolutely incredible. This is bootsnip.com. I submit snippets to this quite frequently as I develop them, as I edit them. So it's very nice. Just about any type of element that you could think that you need for your website, you can get here. So all you have to do is click tags. We'll go to tags here, and let's just say that we need a login form. So let's type in login. We have our login right here. And then we have all these different types of logins that we can use, and these are completely free. It is absolutely amazing that they're giving these away. This one speaks to me for some reason, so let's click on it and see what we have here. It looks like a left floating login at the top. Yeah, so that's very nice. Look at this, guys. These are free. Can you not just see the potential? And it's just so much more than just logins. It's contact forms, it's tables, it's everything you can think of. Look at all these different types of tags. It's blog, it's admin interfaces, it's signups, it's icons, progress bars. Let's look at our progress bar. Let's see if there's anything in there. Yeah, look at these, guys. It's totally, listen, get your creative juices flowing. Think about that web application that you've needed to start, but you're not quite sure. You didn't want to spend all the time developing little small things that need to be done. These are ways to get your site done as quick as possible. I want to thank you guys so very, very much for checking out this video. And I really hope that you can use these sources. Remember, bootsnip.com. Remember, startbootstrap.com. There's tons of more free Bootstrap template solutions out there. But absolutely use what you have for free. No sense in paying for a template until you're absolutely ready. Unsplash.com, free images, guys, free images. That's F-R-E-E. You're not paying $5 for an image, $10, or however much they cost. You're getting it for free. And I want you guys to utilize these tools. A lot of you are probably new to design. I would imagine most of you are. And I really want you guys to succeed in your web design adventures. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't be afraid to ask me the questions that you have. I would do more than anything. I would do anything to help you guys. Because you guys are the future of web design. I can't answer every question. There's some questions that's over my head. But if I can answer the question, I'd be more than happy to. I don't get a lot of people to comment anyways, but if it's something I can help you with, something I can point you in the right direction with, if there's a project that you need help with, I can't say I can help you completely for free with your project, but I can help you, put you on the right direction. And if you think my services will be something that you would like to see or like to help with, I can definitely help you speed up your project. Anyways, everybody, thank you guys. I hope you all have a good one. Yeah, look at that infinite screen here. Yeah, so everybody take care. Thank you so much. Keep on learning. That's what it's all about. I hope you all learn something new today, and I hope you guys learn something new tomorrow, because in this industry, we have to keep continuing to learn. Hopefully, I'm going to go on showing you guys some mobile things, some mobile resources, because everything's shifting to mobile, and people should know more about mobile. That's enough. That's long enough for this video here, guys. Thank everyone. Wow, you guys are amazing. I want to hopefully talk to you guys soon, and I'll put out a new video as soon as I can. And with this new live broadcasting, I'm going to be able to put out more. I'm hoping to put out one at least once a day. Hopefully, I'm going to start that this week. Hopefully, this is the start to good things. So you guys take care, and we'll talk to you soon.